Hi guys, ever wondered what a day in the life of a henna artist looks like during pre-Eid week? Well, here I am, bright and
early, diving into completing orders. But hey, if you want to book yours, just shoot me a message on WhatsApp. Details are in my profile.
after wiping up some mini masterpieces, it's time to roll 90 plus scones while tuning into my favorite podcast. Off to the kitchen here to prepare iftar. It's my turn today. Well, today's menu is lasagna. As much as I hate leaving my cozy space, I have some very important tasks to finish today. So here I am preparing the lasagna sauce, also multitasking by answering clients' messages in between. Once the sauce is ready, it's time to assemble the layers
and pop it into the oven.
Back to my roomie to mix 300 grams of henna powder for the pre-Eid henna festivity. The lasagna was so delicious. After delicious iftar,
We headed to our friend's place for condolences, a somber moment but important to support loved ones in their
time of need. Finally back home replying to all the remaining clients until the wee hours of the morning. Finally, I went to the bed around 3 a.m. and I still have so many messages to reply, so I will be doing it in the morning. Well, and there you have it, a day in the life of a henna artist during the pre-Eid week. Hope you enjoyed this peek into my world. Don't forget to share and leave a like. Bye-bye.